Alright, so this is what I eat in a day here in Cabo. I just had breakfast, which I'll show you guys right now. And you guys are gonna be very, very surprised on the breakfast that I had, but I'll show you guys right now. And I had it with this guy right here. So look, this right here is medicine, okay? And I know this medicine because when I was in Ecuador, you know, the lady that did the plant walk tour for the retreat that I did with my brother Jordan, you know, told us that this right here, I forgot the name. So if you guys know the name, comment it down below. But this right here yields a lot of energy, okay? And I actually just got it right here. We're at the airport, so we got some aloe vera, and we have this right here. It fuels you, has a lot of energy, and you can also make tea with it. However, I just had my brother Mike right here try it. So Mike, take one, and I want you to tell me, you know, I know you just tried it right now, like off camera, but like, how was it for you, you know, having one right now? How was it?
It was good. It was like a, like biting into the spearmint gum.
Yeah, and now he was on some Bad Boys, you know, some Bad Boys Forever or for life type shit. So he was like, if you die, I die, so you gotta try it first.
You gotta eat it.
But here we go, cheers.
Yep, cheers. I just hope a dog or something didn't piss on it.
I mean, more than likely, if I keep it a bug with you, I think it definitely did.
No.
No, I think it definitely did. But it's all right. It's good for the microbiome regardless.
No.
So right now we stopped by this place called Chula, but it's like a vegan restaurant over here in Cabo, okay? It's really dope. It's kind of like this little spiritual, you know, restaurant. You know, they got the herbs. They have some Palo Santo. Yep, definitely Palo Santo. Cool stuff over here. More than likely, all of this is like handmade too. Listo? Tu reciclado? Reciclar?
Sí, reciclar.
Reciclar.
Reusar, reciclar y reutilizar.
Okay.
Sí.
Gracias.
Thank you.
So I was just asking her like if she does she like recycle. So she does. Look at the food. Oh, this is mine? No way.
That's yours.
Wow. I didn't know that it came with soy. Well, it is what it is. This looks good, bro.
Exactly.
Buen provecho. I should probably say this right now. I know I said that this is gonna be what I eat in a day as a fruit-based vegan, but anyways, look man, I'm in a rush, kind of. We just got to Cabo, a little tired, jet lag a little bit. We've been moving ever since we got here. So yeah, I'm gonna have me this little boodle bowl right here, okay? We have this spirulina smoothie, so a little banana. It's fire. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fire, but I'm just letting you guys know, like, something I think is really, really important for everybody to know is that it's okay to simply not be perfect, okay? Typically, I'm like fruit-based vegan, right? But like, as you guys can see, I'm about to have me some rice and some soy and some chips. But this is like a one-time kind of thing, like when I'm in a rush. But it's still okay, and it's not like animal products. Still healthy to a certain degree. So with that being said, I'm about to devour this and, you know, try to prioritize some fruits later on in the day, so that way we make up for this little bit of a downslide with like health here. And so I'm at Walmart. I went to this other spot to try to see if like we can get, you know, some fruits, right? Like some fruits like this, right? But the place wasn't open. But however, I just want to say, honestly dog, when I see things like this where, you know, there's only Walmarts that have like these fruits and stuff, I just think about colonization, and it's a little sad, but it just is what it is, man, and it sucks. But yeah, man, it just is what it is. But I am about to OD on me some fruit. I don't know what you guys think. How do you guys feel about, like, you know, places like this where like you can only get you know, tropical fruits at places like Walmart, you know, in places like Cabo, which is a desert, but still like why is there not like a bunch of fruit stands, you know? I don't know, I'm probably just like spoiled with Ecuador, because Ecuador was just like such a beautiful experience. Oh my God, they have sapotes, bro. Wow, they have sapotes. Stop playing with my life right now. Just got back from the grocery store, and what we have is, you know, broccoli, we got some guava, some piña, we have some hummus, sandía, pepino, bananas, and then we also have a sapodilla right there, which I'm really, really excited to try. I think it's gonna be ready in like 2 days. Avocado, some maracuya, some papaya, melon, we got some coconut water, no sugar, right? And yeah, guys, all of this cost me, I believe, like 720 or 740 pesos. which is equivalent to like 40 some dollars, 43 or 42 dollars. So this is gonna last me maybe like 2 days. And with that being said, man, you feel me? I'm tapping in with the frutas. You feel me? This right here is all I need. I don't know why this door is open. Hey, he left this door open. Should I just close it? Yeah. Somebody just gonna pull up and be like, ¿qué pasa, hermano? I'm like, oh shit. Oh. No problem, no problem.
Oh, he's still there?
Yeah, he's still there. All right, buenas noches, hermano. Sí. Ciao. He was like just closing the door. I'm thrilled that this only cost me 40 some dollars. Walmart, not too bad, but at the same time, like, I don't really like the colonization. So yeah, man, we need more fruit stands. So anyways, this is what I'm eating for dinner as a fruit-based vegan. So yeah, gonna eat this as some of what I can. I'm gonna go kind of light though, so I'm really just gonna hit on this watermelon and some piña, and some limon, and that's really it. Some coconut water. That's really it. And that's gonna fuel me for the rest of the night.